Hello spatulas, I'm talking to you. Once, apron, a time, there was a Boerewors master, and that, my friend, is you. The time has come for you to enter your sexy, succulent Boerewors recipe into the Namibian Champion Boerewors competition. Why? Because you understand the force of the wors. You know the chemistry, the intricacies, the ratios. You know the taste, the texture, the tightness, the anatomy of a wors. Stop worsing around. Your Boerewors should be on everybody's lips. We need a chef or a butcher in a Boerewors bakkie. Now, go to NamibianChampionBoerewors.com for more info. What are you waiting for? Get worsing!